Hi everyone, it's Wendy Lee. Welcome back. Today I have a Hobby Lobby haul for you. I picked up some more clearance stickers, and I picked up some 4th of July items, and I forget what else. This was from a couple of days ago, so that's why I forget what else. Okay, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to show you is some of the 4th of July stuff. So I'm doing a 4th of July. Am I doing one or two? I know I'm doing at least one 4th of July swap. So I wanted to pick up some items to go with that. So I got these super cute picks. And then I thought the extras I could use for my 3-tier tray of, you know, whatever I don't use. And then I got these. Super cute. These are also picks, and these are so cute. I got these picks. They're little, like, I don't know what you call, like little windmills. And I found these straws, these metallic straws. And I got this scatters and fillers. Those will be pretty for flowers. And then I found these super adorable fireworks. They're also picks. Adorable. They're so cute. And then these ones too. And I think I have to do a wand in one of my swaps. So I got these. These are also picks, and I thought these would be a really good base for the wand, and it's nice because they're made out of wood. So I thought maybe I could make like a nice rosette and stick it on there, and then put some like ephemera or whatever. I don't know, we'll see, but I just thought that was a good base to get me started. And these were at the front counter, and I was running low in my car, so I thought I might as well pick those up. And then let's see what's in this bag. Then I got, oh, so here's some of the clearance stickers. So I got these cute little ladybugs. And these little girls were $1.24, and they come with 2 different layers. And these are so cute. They say things like, yes, girl, yes. Girl boss, yes. Just some cute ones there. Oh, I got 2 of those. Oh, wait, and it comes with a 3rd layer. So these ones are like holo stickers. Has perfume and all kinds of stuff. So cute. And then I found these cute Irish ones. Kiss Me, I'm Irish, March 17th. So there's one on each side. Which one? How much were these? These ones were 62 cents. Then I got these really cute ones for 74 cents. They have like lipstick and eyelashes and nail polish. I thought the little nail polishes were so cute. Then I found these like mermaid theme, under the sea theme. And I got some more of the pineapples. These were 74 cents. I just thought these were so cute, and I'm gonna probably use these real soon. I found the cats for 74 cents. And the flamingos, glitter flamingos. And then I found these, which I was really happy with because I hadn't seen them before, and they had a ton of them at this Hobby Lobby, so I got 3 of them. They were 74 cents, and they're just really pretty shells. And oh, I got 2 of the mermaid ones and 2 of the cat ones. And then, oh my gosh, these cats are so adorable. So I got 2 of these. It says, I do what I want, check me out, cat Pacino. I just thought those were so adorable. And then I got these cute glitter foxes. And I got these 2 of these lips. And let's see what else I got. Oh, I got some beads. think these were 50% off last week, so I got these. And these pretty glitter ones. And then I got some of the Hishi beads. And then I got these Hishi beads, and these are shaped like little flowers. And then I got some of these pretty gold shells. And I got these for 4th of July. It's one strand each. It's not, they don't come together. I also found these boxes of Hishi beads. So they had like blue, purple, black and white, I want to say. I think that was the only one I got of those, yeah. And then I got these little hearts. And I think that was all the beads I got. Then I got this confetti, because I see a lot of people talking about it. It was only $1, so that was a good deal. And I got some white pom-pom trim. And I also got some pink trim. And then I got these, they call them faux leather wide ribbon. So I got the black and white striped. And then I got the buffalo check in red and the buffalo check in white. Then I picked up a die, which is from Momenta. It's called Build a Flower. Because I think those were like 40% off or something. Oh, and I got this on clearance. I got this washi tape, which I thought was cute. Kind of like lumberjackish. And then Tim Holtz was on sale for like 40% off, so I got some of the ephemera packs. I got 3 of them. I got this one. And does it show what's on the back? No. I got this one. This one's called Field Notes. I just found the name. And this one's called Snippets. And then I thought this one was so cool. This one's called Keepsakes. So it's got like checks and stuff. I think that was everything from Hobby Lobby. So if you want to see what's in some of these Tim Holtz packs, if you're curious, I'll open them. I'm not going to go through every single one, but I'll show you a little bit of each one. So like this is the Keepsakes one, and it's got like, what does this say? Books, shoes, penmanship. Looks like somebody practicing their cursive writing. Butterflies, tickets, via airmail. That's kind of cool. Let's see what else they got in here. This is really neat. So it's like theater tickets, an advertisement for steel pens, an old letter, like a kind of like a stamp seal, and just a bunch of little, like looks like a bingo card, but probably not, probably something else. Bill of fare. This is just too dang cool. Haha, palm reader. How to read the lines of the hand. Knapp's root beer. Crown diamonds. There's a nice map. So that's this one. So cool. And then we'll open the other 2 and just kind of take a quick little look. What is this one called? Oh, this one has like teeny tiny pieces, guys. Well, it makes sense because it's called Snippets, but look, that one says Traveler. You saw the clock in the very beginning. What does this way and say? Return registered letter. It's got like little flowers in it. Like an import document. Just really neat little stuff. Let's see, I'm gonna put a bunch of these in my hand because they're so little. So like flowers and butterflies, and I mean, when I say tiny, like little teeny tiny plaques, and like butterflies, and kind of like what looks like a bingo card. Special delivery, which I think is so cute. So yeah, just a bunch of little teeny, it's almost like the other one, but everything is like super tiny. And then we'll take a quick look inside this one. Oh, this one actually shows what's on the back. So that's, oh, so did this one. It was just the little one that didn't show it. Okay, so here's what's in the back of the one I was just showing you guys. And then, I'm sorry, no, that's not right. I was showing you the little one just right now. The first one that I showed you, that was what was in it. And then this bigger one, which is called Field Notes, this is what comes in it. So just a bunch of cool stuff, fun little stuff to add to your little projects. So that was my Hobby Lobby haul, guys. I hope you're doing well. Hope you'll give this video a like, leave me a comment, subscribe, and hope you have a great day. Take care. Talk to you soon. Bye.